But there's always that chance that you'll meet someone